Hey guys, Elle here with the Droning Company, and I'm with Shaquille and Multicopter Warehouse out at Xpontential. Shaquille, tell us a little bit about what Multicopter Warehouse does and what you guys are out here doing today.
Absolutely. So we are a full-service drone store. So we specialize in public safety, enterprise, and even consumer drones. DJI is who's sponsoring our booth this year, but we also help with Elle and Inspired Flight.
Awesome. And are you guys locally based here in Denver, or do you have an online presence as well?
Yes, multicopterwarehouse.com is our online presence, but you could also find us at I-25 and Evans off of Bel Air at our storefront.
So Shaquille, tell us a little bit more about what are the most popular drones that you're seeing fly off your shelves?
Definitely. So the M3E is probably one of the most popular ones that we sell, but for public safety, I would say the M30.
And what's the difference between those for somebody like me who knows very little about those two?
Sure. The M3 is one of our consumer drones. Now, there are enterprise applications and enterprise payloads, but the M30 is specialized for public safety and inspection. It is the inspection workhorse for the company.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Shaquille. And if you guys are looking for Multicopter Warehouse, be sure to check out their socials. What are your socials?
Don't have those memorized.
That's right. You can just look them up on Multicopter Warehouse. Thanks, guys.